Under the Transport tab, you may assign the appropriate UN number based on the hazard class of your final product. If you are certain with the transport hazard class, you may assign the hazard by clicking the magnifying glass here to look up for the UN number. You can select by clicking here and click the select button here. For my product, I'm not sure of the transport to be assigned. So alternatively, I wish to derive the transport classification here. So I will click this icon here and I will try to derive the transport classification using the bridging principle. I will click this icon here to calculate the transport and start answering the questions until I have derived the transport hazard. Please be informed that answering of the questions are only for demonstration purpose. Once you have chosen the hazard based on the bridging principle, you can see the UN number is appearing here with all the necessary information. Please be informed that assigning a transport hazard is quite complex, so we would strongly suggest to consult the Dangerous Goods Safety Advisor for further advice or confirmation as a precaution.